Yep.
I'm like maybe barely tall enough.
Texting me too. Texting me because he got us. I brought me I have an asset. Oh, he told me that. Pretty tough last year. Just because you only have to get one game in, sorry, buddy. I think we'll get multiple times. It's good interview
Yeah, I know. It's okay, you got help with that recently. So there. Well, we should find out.
Yeah, she, I was like, well, they just sent it to her We'll keep working on it.
Or you can stick it. Or you can stick it as far as you can and just duct tape it off.
I think it might fit on the bottom.
I think I could maybe reach, like, let me see how tall. Like, just barely, but I asked.
Probably like one of the out there, so he's like, Marcus was like, yeah, it's gonna be good at that. And he's gonna have to go back what?
Latest by the end of the first half. No worries. Okay.
I'll try. I'll work it out. You know he's always late.
Thank you. I know.
This is serious. I think next year we're going to play it landheated right here. The way it is,
We already got the hat trick today, so you know what it feels like. What do you think of the Christmas tournament?
That's what I did.
So you guys singing?
Yes. Pick me up and it's gonna take me
Less.
It looks like Cat maybe he's playing tomorrow, so I just texted her. That'd be nice if it worked out.
Dylan was up really screaming at me. Sorry. Yeah, I was banging you around. You were banging me around. That's a big reaction. Sounds fine. Not again. It's a invite. Not sharing.
I bought the sample pack so I can get some Axemans.
Yeah.
We can crush our orange beers together.
We'll do some orange juice. Fresh squeeze. My second non-alcoholic beer. Now you just playing
I saw your goal, which is our watching the market. That was nice.
Which one? He had
Five, or you got
He had three.
Yeah.
It was the last Hamburg one then?
Yeah. Did you guys lose 6-5?
I think she had.
What?
She had the worst turnover goal.
To give up the game winner? Or no?
I think it was the game winner.
I've been looking for like antique vintage.
She was playing like she was drunk.
I just noticed like she
She doesn't bring her sit down. She always boring and she never stands.
She keeps it.
It took me a while to figure out.
But how you gonna put the ball down here? Yeah.
There's another style.
Like a crossing complete for people that don't play with us.
This is the case Gibbons totally and he does do it sometimes, but he's a lot faster than Shannon and Laura.
He's got better reflexes.
Yeah, from going like this to this. This takes a long time to come down. Especially with Justin's 30-foot broom. I think it's just stupid. I was wondering when you picked it up, I'm like, God, too big for you, right?
It's taller than you.
Almost to my chin.
How was Christmas in Fargo?
I would just be
How many nights did you spend? 3?
That's
Oh, really? Oh,
nice.
nice.
So 52 or 48.
Solely family or some friends or what?
Not for that one. That one's
Family and then extended family and then hung out with one of my friends.
Marcus said Marcus might want to see all the do that. Like get a little sticky to it.
Tolna? I'm guessing you don't follow it at all, but did you see more heads soaring to the top of the high school hockey rink? I've been kind of low-key rooting them on for decades. They finally just because I remember like when I first started college, they were like making it to the tournament and the championship for the first time ever, and I kind of knew those, a couple of those people were playing hockey a little bit as a kid, and they were like the two like, wow, like, this guy's like, they were like 3 or 4 years younger, and they were already like people were fussing about them, and then they've just kind of been perennial contenders ever since then, but like they're kind of Buffalo Bills or Vikings like they ever. And then there's always like the David versus Goliath element of the Metro versus the Outstate. And the Spuds. Yeah.
We saw your handiwork with Max.
Did you go, when you hung with your friend in Fargo, did you go out or did you jump yard? Harold's? Did you make it to Harold's? You didn't know. West Fargo Dirt Bar. Dive Bar. Oh. I thought it was actually called the Dirt Bar. There's no Dive Bar's Dirt. It's like a little bit from that point.
I can stick, so I stick it to
Yeah, we fly.
that's like in the vice. Yeah. Now you have like a mercury. I take something heavy and I slide it on the shaft.
It's in West Fargo though.
And then I just leave it.
Oh, Junkyard moved right away in Fargo itself now. They're no longer in Fred. I don't know if they expanded or That's what?
That's the bar. I think people like
What?
get them memorized.
It's a blue collar.
I think it's more in the It still feels very dark.
See, we actually managed to tie Blizzard last or whatever lost it last we played them again here the next night and tied them again.
That's
Yeah, he's a speedster and outboard, stuff like this.
You flip on him. I'm not going to
Well, center speed, get it. Be able to bring it back up. Hello, Kirk.
Hello, Marcus.
How are you?
Good. Shannon's turnover worse than my turnover. Remember, I saw him right in. And I made an even worse turnover. What? I felt single-handedly, although we didn't deserve to win that game anyways. They frankly outplayed us. They certainly outplayed us.
I don't even think I was amazing enough to like scream
I know, I hate to be so redundant, but I really think it helped them a ton that they played before, because they were like firing on all cylinders. And,
was it a cold night or?
just because like you're warmed up and you're used to the ice, you're in the room.
Devil had an outlet.
Has CNL played yet tonight? Oh, against the Chiefs. The Chiefs already played? Was it brutal?
Like 8-1? I started off with the first goal.
Nice.
Someone's got to
Wait for me to ask.
Yeah, exactly. Wait for the
Because I was going to.
Score the first goal!
This guy, you're so That's where the goal more is chasing me around to try to take her helmet off. Hold on! I'm like, what are you doing?
She was about to pull it there.
She handed me her helmet. I didn't,
What was this after the third goal? For the lyric to this? Was she actually alluding to Larry, or was she just like Patrick?
she was trying to give me, she handed me her helmet. I didn't know, and I was like, oh yeah. This thing.
That's what I was going to ask. So what do you have to look
No, she didn't take her helmet off. It's whip it at the
We play each other all the time. Let's just play each other some more.
Is that actually what happened?
Yes.
Yeah.
He was planning to play with you at Nationals, but then
I don't think it's planning, but yeah. He just walked in the locker room and he's like, I'm done. I've carried this team. And it's like, get the fuck out of here. Go ahead.
I missed all of it because I was out.
He was sitting, yeah, he's got his own little locker room.
raging in every game.
As an adult, by myself.
Good, he was pacing in his
Hello.
pen.
I didn't say a word. I went and sat over there and just thought about it.
But he was saying, they were saying so I'm the only one who scores.
Whoever passes, it's okay.
That's perfect.
Which must have made it feel terrible.
That is a poetic ending to something being like having that random attention.
I mean, the Bombers do sauce.
What's that?
The Bombers do sauce.
I mean, we just played the court game, and then we ran from that rank to the other rank, like
Which their whole team was on that correct team. It was just you and me and Wes. We had a whole.
that's the risk of doing both.
We had a whole gaggle of Flames guys that were ready to go.
That's just the risk of doing both. I was exhausted, like going back and forth from each rank.
Plus, what? How long you stick around? I wish I had more beer. That's it. This game's over. Are you leaving? What? targets. Him invited me over. I don't know if that's what I'm feeling. Lou has some interest in watching. What's your scene? Yeah, keep me posted. I'd definitely like to do something for it. It's a big one. I don't have high hopes, but they keep surprising me week after week.
You don't
so
have high hopes, huh?
I don't know, like Detroit just seems really good to me for whatever reason.
She's running late.
But then I don't know why. I've learned not to
He says you want Dave
underestimate the Vikings at this point.
Something like that.
Huge game. I mean, so much is riding.
Yeah.
Josh, what are you doing for the Vikes? No plans so far. We were at halftime because we short trip to the Wild game after that. Oh, you went straight to the Wild after that game? Nice.
When was it again?
We watched it. Like I said, we watched it at Max Diner because they always do like. They do like a little snip and then you fill it up for the game.
You get prizes at Ballman too.
At where? Ballman? That's fun.
Max Diner.
Max and Russian Ball? Yeah, good food.
Do you know a guy who works there named Ryan, by any chance? A fellow ginger?
No, I don't think so.
He used to manage like a bar really near me that I go to often. I
works at
think
Max?
he's like one of the main
Ooh.
dudes there.
Okay. I don't think I accept my collabs, but I will some, so that's cool.
Well, no, I also announced Betting Toss at halftime. If you make it, you get taken.
Oh, right on. Can't go wrong for a drink.
You still got that dingy basement?
No, this is.
Oh, halftime you do, yes. We go there every Monday.
I was talking about Ballman.
Well, the
Yeah.
up there bocce ball, they put green carpet down.
Yeah, they actually fixed it.
Up there, Basha.
Yeah, bocce ball in the basement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not up there?
No.
It's in the upped it, like,
Oh,
upgrade. They upped it.
okay, okay. I thought it was like a new style of it, like they do at Prize.
Yep.
It's not like, it's like a weighted ball. I mean, played at Prize, I assume.
Yeah, been price.
What's that game called?
Oh, that weird, like, with the little feather and, like, the... I don't know what you're talking about, but I don't know what it's called.
But the ends are kind of curved, and then
Looks like
like
it's like
a cheese wheel that you can
Yeah.
roll.
That's an odd one. I don't know what it's called, but I know what you're talking about. Because they have the same, like, yeah.
Yeah, Bocce was unplayable at halftime before that.
They were down there. It was like,
Yeah, well, yeah, it was like a fucking college baseball.
Oh, before
It was
you're saying
like
before,
shit
yeah.
running through there.
you get done playing there and your pants are all dusty and shit. Yeah.
Who did the Lions or who did the Wild play on Sunday?
The last game I went to.
Whatever was after the Vikings Packers. I don't remember. No.
I was on drugs.
Did they write the
I think it was Senators and they lost.
Before I'm watching in the man cave, I got no plans yet. And if anyone wants to join, you're welcome to.
How far is halftime from your house?
Sometimes like, same as McMurray, so it's probably a 15-minute drive. We found it at McMurray on Monday.
Yeah, outdoor. Fire it up.
We've been on refrigerantes before that.
You got your tournament filled out?
Yep.
I think you got one team left. A couple weeks ago, right?
Caleb got the last team. He's mixing it with Medics guys. A few, I guess, not a whole lot. Because like Jonty also messaged me earlier today, and so I was like, I thought he was just asking part with Caleb. And then before the Chiefs game, he goes out and asks me, he's like, so you get a spot? And I'm like, I thought you were with Caleb. He's like, no. He's like, a few guys on my team are. I'm like, then why don't you just play with him?
Huh. What
Because
team
Caleb-
was he trying to sign up his own team?
He's Jonty was trying to get his own Medics team. But Caleb told me he got a few nice guys. I was like, you guys aren't communicating here. I was like, I don't care. I was like, I just need 18.
Something tells me he could be very picky about who he plays
Jonty?
with.
Yeah, I agree. And then Caleb asked me, and I was like, you're not going to assume that I already have a team playing in my whole tournament?
Caleb asked you to play?
Yeah.
Who are the 7 teams then?
So 8 teams.
Yeah.
So Caleb's got the 8th one. We're 7 or 2, and then Loon's got 3. Blizzard is 4. Wild Bunch, this is Juice's team. It's 5. 6 would be Backyard Brooms. 7 would be
Backyard Brooms.
Well, it's an outdoor team though, so that's good.
What?
An outdoor team.
Ah, do you know who the captain is?
I can pull up the name a little bit. Also, we got Sticks and Stones. French Tire. Yep.
Okay.
And then is there one more? Is that the name?
Manganese Steel Frogs make it back?
No, I tried.
Rattled off 8 teams.
Is that 8?
I think so.
I thought that was 8.
French Tire coming second last time.
French Tire got first last time.
Yeah.
And I asked.
Ice Matthew's not playing?
No.
Well, a few Mafia guys are
Yeah, we're on Dave and
on Get Wrecked.
Kevin.
Kevin's on it. Got Colin, got Wes with us. Zimmer. Trench is busy that day. I did a Zimmer though. No killers. We got Gage. I asked. I tried getting Kyle with us. That plays with us in Chiefs. And he's
not a killer. You guys do? Kyle? Yes.
Kyle, but he's playing like. I was like. He's like, yeah, I'm playing with Lopez, with younger Lopez, with French Tire. And I'm like, with Casey's team. And I'm like, dude, I asked you like how long. I was like determined that I asked you how long ago. Like, you want to play with? Because you know he's plays with Gage. So I go, which one want to play with Gage?
You said for Lopez or to Kyle? I thought Lopez had like Zach Lopez.
Zach Lopez, not Aaron. I don't even. I don't rely on Aaron anymore.
Yeah.
I just assume he's not going to show up ever, and we got the alternate spot next year. It's annoying.
Yeah, and it was a big line.
Ooh. He's a good help, but like, if he's not reliable, I don't want him.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, Jesus. Ouch. Why did people not wear masks?
Catch that before.
That was close, I think.
God, yeah, you're gonna get the face on something. What's the benefit? Like, I get.
Makes it look
Like,
tough.
if you're $1 million hockey player who grew up playing that way, they actually can't even play without it. They have to have some type of shield in the NHL.
What if your grandfathered in?
Are there any left?
It's like 3 left.
Is there really?
Who was the last guy who got grandfathered in on the no helmet?
Wizards, Six Stones. Smoking Loons. I didn't say Loons.
You did say Lewis.
Did I say Loons? Okay, so this
I think you did in the full eight.
That's who Charlie might be.
Yeah, I asked him.
So there's really only 2 beginner teams, and one of them is led by Juice.
Didn't ask. Yep. And he said he could get top. So I got to check the rest. He's like, my dad's involved. Or, he's like, yeah, he's involved. He's like, my dad's playing. He's like, he must play on the same place as that.
Yeah, of course.
But like, we gotta get defense, so that's the big thing.
His dad can. For real.
So I gotta go down to roster and see the positions. Yeah. 'Cause that'd be a great round.
Yeah. Although I feel like the outdoor ice somewhat neutralizes his
I mean, we both play every Monday.
Doesn't work.
Or is it Wednesday? They play Monday.
Yeah, but I just think like his speed is so phenomenal that
Yeah.
the outdoor
No, it
ice
helps,
limits
yeah.
that. Like there's guys like Lopez who are super fast outdoor, like indoors and outdoors, but have some type of. I feel like smaller bodies are faster outdoors than relative.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
You can shift around more.
Yeah. Less weight, less. You don't have any beer.
That's the funny.
do you, Justin? You don't have any beer here. Do you have?
That's the funny thing about like playing with Mark.
One time I don't
He's always
load up.
yelling like, "Stand your feet." But he's the one guy that will come down on his knees and try to hit the ball. But yeah, Marcus, stand your feet.
Yelling at us all tournament long.
But he's quick to get back up.
Yes.
He does get back. Yeah, he does come back up. I just don't give him the shit. He deserves
Takes
it.
25 seconds. Takes the rest of my
Yeah.
shift to get back on my feet.
It's probably the bench.
I'm looking forward to some co-ed 8s, some very low-key college.
I just chill while the other team's going.
That's the kind of shit people get in fights with.
We don't have to go with that.
I haven't played that in a long time.
And for either team,
It's just too crowded.
Whatever league that we normally have Mike for, he's not.
or swing in and slide out. He's a nice enough because of skill. Just
He didn't get there. He does rugby.
I did get a 80s Kyle to agree to bring his drone to the tournament.
I've heard the creeper stories, but they're also like
So apparently he's excited for that. So
just historically.
I see him post a few clips of like some trees footage and some Minneapolis footage.
I mean, like 5 years before COVID, you could say,
It's all
I guess
legal
it's
now.
like that year's like 40 years old.
Science.
The one he has?
I feel like
44.
What are you saying? Just recording?
that's now it's tremendous shit.
Now we're like
New Jersey?
50.
Let's get a black tree.
Beating the odds.
Yeah.
So good for him.
Like this is meant for races.
Ask Hayes.
Make your own, like pull three holes. Make
No, I did not.
I kind of like the laces, but they always come undone.
You just gotta get like a very short one.
Yeah.
It looks kind of good.
I like that black look.
What is this for?
That's the Calgary Flames also logo.
And this was like 5 or 6 years.
It's not our logo. It's a flame that looks like an M.
Yeah.
No, you suck.
That's the Blizzards.
So now you mentioned that, that's starting to sound very
Tebow, y'all.
I assume that they would be some sort of like semi-nature.
Now you gotta say tri-colors.
Middle school to high school to maybe college.
Jake, you
the
don't know
way
anybody in
phrased
there?
it, right? Coaching women.
That's not your jersey in there.
There was that
Come on, you want to go play? I know you want to go play for CNL.
Oh, yeah.
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you at all. But those aren't your guys.
Those are not your guys.
You turn around and look at it. Hayes is doing his face. Oh, that's fucking Hayes.
What am I saying? Like,
Bro, isn't that Patrick bedtime?
league. I don't know.
Take your
But, like,
ass home.
contextually, it feels like you would be more of a younger, like organized.
It seems very different here.
Must be missing some of the young guys who went to the old school. CNL.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, he's a guy in his he coaches like adult young. Really, where I was going.
Oh, he coaches an adult team.
Yeah, he's like the B school. And there might be other male coaches or female coaches. It doesn't matter. It doesn't seem like the men's team.
Made the board.
You know what, the bikes. See you later. Nice game, Dan.
See you, Dave.
Happy New Year.
Good playing win with you.
Ooh, what jersey is this?
No play on the Sunday.
We just got this today, so he's decided that we needed a black jersey. Even though we only wore the red jersey, we had a white jersey that we never wear. So, I don't know, I gave it to him. It's a new Flames thing. I do too, the M, the Flames. So he said this is like the oldest Flames. I don't remember this. This must have been okay.
I mean,
He was wrong. From a long, long time ago.
Well, here's the thing is, they planted the saddle dome because there's a lot of horses and ranches. So it could be.
It could be. I'm
I don't know, I was
not.
really into NHLs. I don't know how old,
I
but I've
don't know what
never.
that is. Yeah. It's
Unless it
like
was briefly in the 90s, like the city edition. Like that the moose jaw Mustangs.
I don't know. They already said we haven't lost in this jersey yet. I said,
Have you played in them yet?
Schultz, you haven't given up a goal in that jersey yet. No, we haven't.
You haven't played in?
I just opened the bag today.
Flames resurrect controversial logo for reverse retro jersey. This was in 2020.
Reverse.
been like, hey.
Good call, then. I didn't see it. Yes.
Or the original from 98 to 2006, I can't be.
Now that's
I can't speak to between 98. That was after my childhood.
After my child.
That was well into
Cusack's
my
still in his childhood. He's still growing.
the growing boy.
You're in the locker room, but it ain't even warmer in there. Oh, you got way too wide.
See, they used to be called the Cowboys. So, I mean, I don't know, that kind of checks out.
The Cowboys?
That's what they were before the Flames.
The Calgary Cowboys?
Yeah. But
I'll see you Monday.
Yeah.
Why they play at the,
See you Tuesday.
yeah. Either. I'm going to take off Tuesday.
Happy New Year's, fellas.
Yeah.
Hey, Kurt, the fuck? Oh. Damn it.
I suck. I didn't do that on purpose.
It's alright. See you later, man.
See ya. What's up, Corey? How you been?
You're very yellow.
Yeah, thank you. I like to stick out a lot. Where's you? Huh? Yep. I'm trying to get you guys on the team again.
We asked our team, and it just seemed like not enough guys were interested.
It's like you guys, the Frogs, and then Bunkers, and not showing again. But hopefully next year.
And some other guys.
Yeah, we got the 8 team today, which is nice.
Okay, nice.
I'm trying to. I'd rather have more outdoor teams, but that's why I do the 3-level bracket. It worked out last year.
Ask us again next year, because I know like some of the guys wanted to. I think Dan
So there was
actually
interest?
traveling for it. So then like yeah, there were just a few guys around.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully next year. You guys gonna try to do playoffs?
Yeah, we're all signed up for it.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't got my team signed up, but we're gonna do it.
But I think it's the same weekend as one of these games.
No, it should be like the first weekend of February, I think.
There's a tournament here.
Is there?
So they have, yeah, it's like the 8th and 9th of February, there's a tournament going on here. And then, yeah, it's just like guys that are overlapping the reps. And
It's like besides 3 guys on my team, it's like all everyone plays indoor on different teams. So
I don't know, take a look.
yeah, it's good. Good team next time. I'll have to look at that.
And if they move it, like I know,
I mean, they can move that too. I should reach out to Augie.
I get it both of my weekends on the side to move, but like, yeah, people have it reserved right now.
But I guess play outdoor, play indoor.
Yeah.
See ya.
scoreless game or what?
We had one. We had like 650 game, and then I had quarterback after that.
Oh, gotcha. How'd you guys do?
We played Red Rock, won like 8-1.
Okay.
Look at that. Thanks.
Just pulls the tongue down.
Oh yeah.
So the top thing is like bare on my
Right. I don't know why they erase it.
Okay.
I just looked like wait, I brought this thing.
Now you've had to wait a whole game.
If I can shoot it off, I can.
Yeah, right. Like 50 seconds left. But you guys might get the close back. You can check. You can go check it out. Yeah, go stick, black curve.
Getting all the playing time you wanted to go and goals at a man or what?
Oh yeah. Sure. You really got to try to rock.
You guys take it pretty easy for New Year's.
Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of nice actually. Oh, you
Yeah, I never won. It's just like
It's kind of right.
I think we're
you know, it's been since last March.
Okay, that's why I
Stop at
John Tebow.
Nice to see you guys. I did not. We had just eaten. I did dinner again, Dave's.
It's good.
Just the four of us.
You don't know
And then
when it'll ever happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, well,
yeah.
we'll check for you.
I mean, I could
Appreciate it.
You making any beers or anything lately or what?
No, not recently, just beer sipping.